Oh my god, hi. I'm here, it's me. I just walked up and down the stairs like 4 times. I've missed you so much. Okay, we're gonna put makeup on and we're gonna chit chat. Ooh, hello. This way. All-nighter face primer from Urban Decay. How are you? Are you okay? Please let me know if you're okay. In this crazy time that we currently live in. I'm okay. My family's okay. Dean's okay. That's my boyfriend if you're new here. His family's okay. I'm in their house. This is where I've been for quarantine for various reasons that I'm not gonna get into, but everyone's okay. Sorry if you can hear the air conditioner in the back. So what's been going on? I've been gone for a while. I just got so busy with life that I just couldn't either find the time to make videos, or when I did have the time, I was just so tired. And it just felt like work to make a video, and I don't want this to feel like work. Like, I want to have fun doing this, so took a break, and now that I have more than enough time on my hands, I want to get back into this. So my mirror is filthy. You can't, I mean, I can't show you or else I'd blind you, but wow, this mirror is pretty dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna get back into videos while I have like some extra time, and maybe get some stuff like kind of pre-filmed, so whenever I happen to go back actually to work, still have a job, still getting paid, I'm fine. But once I'm actually able to go back into the building, I won't disappear again. So, I don't know, we'll see what happens. Let's try and get back into the swing of things first. This whole setting up whatever took me like 2 hours because I got all my makeup and I was like, oh, I'm ready, I'm so excited. And then I was like, I haven't even taken a shower yet. So then I had to take a shower. And then brought all my stuff downstairs and I was like, I'm ready to film, I'm so excited. And then my camera was dead. so then I had to wait. Oh my god. Then I had to wait for the camera to charge. And now here we are. Dean's upstairs, he's working from home and he like has to be on calls and stuff. So even in the living room, his mom's not home, dad's taking a nap. So using this as an opportunity to film somewhere where I won't be annoying. I can use a little concealer over here too. I've been using the Shape Tape. I got it because it was on sale 21 days at Ulta. I don't know if I like this. It's a little dry. I have this in light neutral because they didn't have a light medium neutral, which I thought was strange. But this is not, like you'll see once I blend it in, it's not super light. Like when I bought it, I was like, oh, this is probably going to be like, I put on way too much. I was like, oh, this is probably going to be a highlighting shade, but it's really not. Like, it kind of blends in fine. So, I think Tarte doesn't know what colors are. Oh god, I put on way too much. I've made a mistake. Switching to a bigger brush. Yeah, I don't really think I like this concealer. It's kind of dry and I don't like that. Especially like I have a little like baby patch of eczema right in there, and it doesn't look good on top of that, even when I don't have powder on it yet. So I think this concealer's a no-go for me. Like, I'll still use it like once in a while because it's great for like really full coverage, like going in kind of looks, but I don't want that all the time. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want that. Alright, I'm using Huda powder. And I like this powder. I hate how it smells. Like, why did she have to do that? You know what I mean? Shouldn't have to do that. So I use a brush for under my eyes, but for my whole face, I've been using the Laura Mercier puff. Don't sleep on this puff. This puff's amazing. So, oh, that's way too much. So I just like push it into the powder, and then I fold it and give it like a wiggle. Just really like work it in there. And then give it a tap, so all the powder's like at the top. And then, oh my god, this powder smells so bad. And then I just push it around. It's not that it smells bad, but it's very fragranced. I'm like, she really didn't have to do that. Right, so just push it all over. And I'm powdered. And I like it with the puff because it looks really like airbrushed, and I feel like you can't over powder. So, you're probably going to see that I've been doing my makeup a little differently since the last time I did a video, which I don't even actually know when that was. Because I've been like trying new techniques and stuff, and I found some that I like, some that I don't. Like powdering with the puff is obviously a new thing. I've never done that before, but I love the puff. Apparently I can't talk and do eyebrows at the same time anymore. But yeah, I like the puff. I'll use the brush, I'll use the powder brush still if I'm like running out of time. Because the brush I can just like stick it in the powder and like go. The puff, I have to like do the little like dance with it. So it takes a little more time. I need to do my eyebrows so badly. But I'm lazy. This brow's always nuts. So I've been enjoying using brow gel on top of my brows after I filled them. Normally I would just do like the pencil or the pomade or what I was doing and be done with it, but I've been liking the texture of like a fluffy brow, and I have a lot of brow hair, so I can make a real fluffy brow without even trying, really. Okay, I almost dropped my mirror. Okay, for my eyes I'm going to use this big Sephora Pro palette. This is the Pro Pigment palette in Smoky Jewels. So it looks like this. And I'm going to start with like this dark like gray brown color called Canvas. It's almost like purpley. So I'm going to do a halo eye, so I'm going to put it out here. And then in here. Try to get it like right into the corner. This is the eye that I have the eczema patch on, so it's probably not going to stick there. So just, honestly, just ignore it. And then through the crease. So I'm just kind of like slapping it on there for right now. Just kind of like getting it where I want it. And then I can build up the color a little more. So I picked up some more. Just going back over it. I'm going to take that same color on a pencil brush and put it underneath. Yeah, I'm going to go all the way across. Just make sure you connect. Okay, I just wiped off that pencil brush. I'm going to take the black in here, which is called Obsidian, and get it right on the corner. deepen it up. And on the inside too. So I used a smaller brush so I could like really just get in the corner. And then with a clean brush, I'm just gonna go over everything so it's all blended. Next I'm gonna take Crystal. It looks really pink on camera. It doesn't look that pink in real life, but it has like a pinky like shift to it. So I'm gonna pick that up. And I just sprayed it with some setting spray. Ooh yeah, that's what I wanted. And put that right in that blank space. And I'm bringing it up like kind of high, like in my crease. Because I want to be able to really see it still when my eyes are open. I'm going to take Alabaster here, which is like a cream, yellowy cream color. And I'm just going to kind of go like this, like dust it on the corner, the inner corner, just to brighten up in there a little bit. But I don't want to like totally clean up like the smokiness in the corner. Like I don't want to lose that like halo-y effect. And I'm also going to use that to clean up under the brow. Okay, so I'm going to put black in my tight line, like a red in my waterline, curl my lashes, put on mascara, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the eyes done. I used the Fenty Full Frontal Mascara. I don't get it. The wand confuses me, so this is that, and let's keep going. My camera is probably gonna die. Okay, for contour, this is the Cover FX Face Perfector palette. I'm just gonna use the contour shade that's in here. Oh, they have names. Silhouette. All right, a little bit cheekbone. Kind of a lot of bit of cheekbone. We got a lot going on here. For bronzer, I have the Cover FX Monochromatic Bronzer Duo. This one is Sunkissed Bronze. I think it's the lighter of the two. I'm just going to use the matte side. And I swatched it, you can tell, but I have not actually used it yet. A little powderier than I expected it to be. Ooh. Oh, okay. That's a nice tone. That's a really nice tone. It's like a little deeper than I would normally use, but I like it. But it's really soft. Like you can, maybe I can show you. Can you see like you can see where my brush like stabbed it? It's a really soft powder. Very pretty though. And then for blush, I have one of the blushes from Cover FX. This is Mojave Mauve, which is not mauve, it's like pink. But I'm gonna start with the matte side and then go from there because I'm not sure if I want the shimmer side yet. I don't want too much. Especially because these are so soft, you can pick up so much so fast. So I'm picking up a little of the shimmery side. I'm just kind of going over like a topper. Just to add like a little bit of glow. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna use this kind of more pinker highlight. Which one is this? Divine. Oh, actually, no, wait. Before I do that, I'm going to go in with the finishing powder in here, which is called Stellar. I like to do my finishing powder before I do my highlight. That way I don't ruin the highlight. So picking up some finishing powder. And then I'm just going to buff it all over. Just to like really blend everything together and smooth out my skin. There we go. I mean, I feel like on camera it doesn't make a difference. In real life it definitely does. Now I can go in with that highlight. Top of the cheek, up and around the brow, C shape. Down the nose, air conditioner kicked in, sorry if you can hear it. Gonna just pile this on my Cuba. Oh yeah, the highlighters in this are so pretty. This is such a great palette. Oh, yes, shiny. Okay, for lip I'm gonna try something that may or may not work. So first I'm gonna take, this is Wherever Walnut. It's one of the Make It Forever pencils, and I'm gonna line and fill in my whole lip with this. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this I can't speak, liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star. This one is Can't Relate, which normally is a little too light for me, but I think over this brown liner it might be decent. Okay, I'll let that dry for a second. And then on top, this is a Sephora Collection gloss. It was in a set last year of like 5 or 6 lip glosses, and it came in a little pouch. And this is number 6, Festive. It's just a nude. Oh, this lip actually worked out a lot better than I thought it was going to. And then spray your face. God, who knows what my hair is doing. This is the finished look. Are you in focus? Now you are. This is the finished look. Thanks for joining me on this like goth girl emo fantasy. But yes, I've missed you. I plan on being back consistently. And that's about it. I didn't do a lot of chit-chatting again. I'm not good at the chit-chatting with the chit-chat Get Ready With Me. You would think I would figure that out by now, but I have not. So, but yeah, this is the finished look. So that is it. Thank you for watching and being here with me. Subscribe. I want to be here like 2 days a week, but I'm not sure what days. So subscribe to know what days, since I don't know what days. And hit the bell so you know what days, 'cause I don't know what's happening. And yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.